What is the process of retrieving a Telkom SIM PUK code?
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to retrieve a Telkom SIM PUK, personal unblocking key, code. This code is crucial for unlocking your SIM card if you've entered the wrong PIN multiple times. Let's get started.
What is a PUK code?
A PUK code, or personal unblocking key, is a security feature on your mobile device. It is a unique 8-digit code specific to your SIM card that is primarily used to prevent unauthorized use of your mobile phone. If your SIM card becomes blocked due to entering the incorrect PIN too many times, you'll need your PUK code to unlock it.
How to retrieve your Telkom SIM PUK code?
Retrieving your PUK code from Telkom can be done in several ways. Let's go through each method. Method 1. Via Telkom website 1. Visit the official Telkom website. 2. Sign in using your credentials. 3. Go to My Account or Manage My Account. 4. Look for the option that shows details about your SIM card. 5. Your PUK code should be listed there. Method 2. Using Telkom Mobile App 1. Open the Telkom Mobile app on your phone. 2. Log in with your Telkom account. 3. Tap on the relevant mobile number, if you have more than one. 4. Go to Device or SIM Details. 5. Your PUK code will be displayed here. Method 3. Customer Support 1. Contact Telkom Customer Support. 2. Verify your identity for security purposes. 3. Request your PUK code. 4. The customer service representative will provide your PUK code. Remember, never share your PUK code with anyone. And that's how you retrieve your Telkom SIM PUK code. Always keep this code safe and private to prevent unauthorized access to your phone. If you've misplaced it or can't find it, remember that Telkom's customer service is always there to assist you. We hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in our next one.